Hi Libras, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Libras, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, Libras. We are picking few cards. So these are for your general energies. These cards are for your relationship, and few more cards for your career situation, guys. And one card from the Oracle deck. So we are picking one card from the Angel Oracle deck. So that will be your Oracle guidance. We will open these cards now, guys. We will start with the general energies for your Libras. So we have Six of Pentacles in reverse, Knight of Pentacles, and Strength in reverse. So in your situation today, guys, Libras, in your career or in your life, in this love, you have a clear view what you need in your life, your goals and destination. It is right in front of you. And you are trying your best, maybe making those efforts, whatever is necessary today, to reach those goals or your dreams, whatever aspirations you have for yourself. So you are making great efforts, guys, Libras, and you are making the efforts, but still certain things are may not be going right, guys, because there is someone who is quite jealous of you. So they consider you as their rival. So they are working against you. You need to be really careful, or on certain things you may have certain ideas about certain things, but it may not be true, guys. It may just be your illusion, Libras. So you need to be really careful. So it may be something in your personal life, in this love. You may think that this person has that level of communication or understanding with you, uh, or they are interested in this connection the way you are interested, but things may be different at their end. So it may just be your illusion. So you need to be really careful if that is the case, guys, Libras. So some kind of stress or troubles because of that. And I also see that maybe for some of you, there is an illness, maybe your illness or this person's illness or someone in your family that is really stressing you, guys. So that is what I see with these cards, guys. Libras, let's see what are the cards for your relationship. So we have Ten of Cups, Judgment in reverse, and Ace of Swords. So Libras, today you are making some important choices in your life, guys. Something based on truth and honesty. So it may be a really difficult choice because this choice affects someone in your situation. Maybe it affects this person you love. But you need to make this choice today, guys. This honest um, decision is really difficult for you. So this may be your energy or this person's energy. Maybe for some of you, you have that deep love with this person. You are really concerned about them, concerned about this connection, and you want things to proceed in a positive way today. So this person may have certain addictions, or they are sick, they are suffering from some kind of um, sickness. So you are making some important decisions today. So these decisions are made for their own welfare, for this person's welfare or for your own welfare. But it is really difficult for you to make this choice, but you need to make it if you want to come out of this situation. Maybe some habits, it may be some addictions that you have or this person has, or it may be an illness. So that is what I see with these cards, guys. So honest decision today, Libras. You are going for that. So let's see what are the cards for your career situation, guys. We have Lovers, Ace of Wands, and Knight of Cups in reverse. So some change or some new beginning is coming in your situation, guys. It may be a new career path or new choice that uses your talents, skills, and abilities. That is, making you progress towards something that is simply challenging you, challenging your talents. So you need to work really hard, use your skills to come up in this situation, to come up to excel in this path, maybe in this path of career. Or there are people coming to work with you, they want to collaborate with you guys. So you are progressing towards that teamwork, some kind of business collaboration or teamwork. But you need to be really careful, guys, because I also see that there is someone trying to involve you in some fraudulent activity. So it may, whatever they say, whatever people say to you about this new path, new career path, it may not entirely be true. So you need to be really careful. You have to think for yourself before making that important decision, guys, Libras. So that is what I see with these cards, Libras. Let's see what is your oracle guidance. This angel guidance. We have an angel card, guys. Archangel Gabriel. I hope you can see the card here. So the energy with this card stands for strength and truth, guys, joy and truth. So it just means that we have to be honest, truthful to others and to ourselves. We have to go for that honest communication. So that is what this card is about. So we saw that you are making some truthful decisions today, guys. It may be difficult, but you want truth. That is the energy with this card, guys. So you are a very honest person and you are making the right choice today, guys. That is what I see with these cards, Libras, and that is the guidance for you all. So you have to stand by the truth you have in your heart. That is what this card means, Libras. And that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Libras.